This is John. He is a bright student and does well in most subjects except English. He is not a strong reader and does not enjoy writing. His grammar and vocabulary are weak, his sentence construction skills are subpar, and he is reluctant to speak up in class for fear of not expressing his ideas quite well. This is Tanya. She is an accomplished student and above average in her class. She enjoys reading and loves to write. However, her schoolwork doesn't challenge her enough, and she is not sure she understands how to write essays effectively and how to ace the standardized tests. Parents of both John and Tanya want them to be strong communicators, succeed in school and extracurricular, and have a positive academic outlook. They realize that critical thinking, comprehension, writing, and speaking are crucial for success at school and college, and eventually in one's career. They are looking for a service that provides a wholesome solution that meets their needs. And that's where Learn to Write Now, a premier English learning center, comes in. Through an array of foundation workshops that include reading comprehension, creative and academic writing, grammar and vocabulary, speech and debate, test prep workshops such as COGAT, PSAT and SAT, and even specialized workshops covering honors and AP English for advanced learners. Learn to Write Now has become the one-stop shop for ELA enrichment. Check us out to see how Learn to Write Now can effectively help your children gain confidence in English and unleash their truest potential. Write, learn, succeed with Learn to Write Now.